Hi everyone, check out how I created this Labubu cake. To get the shape of the body, I used a teddy bear cake pan and a box cake mix. Any cake mix will do, and just bake according to the directions. To turn the shape of the bear into the Labubu, I had to do a bit of carving. First, I removed the ears. A bit of trimming of the cheeks was necessary to get the perfect shape. To create the ears, I used Rice Krispies treats. Alright, a little comparison. I think it's getting there. For the face, I created a stencil by drawing out the face, tracing it with marker, cutting it out, and then wrapping it with packing tape to get the perfect waterproof stencil. Next, I rolled out my fondant and then cut and shaped according to my stencil. We can't forget that signature furrowed brow. I applied a bit of water and used my finger to smooth the pieces together. Since I didn't have pink fondant, I used a bit of cookie icing for the nose. Time to roll out the smile. Good thing I have my stencil, that way I know just the perfect length. For those sharp little teeth, you better make sure you have 9 or else it's gonna be a lafufu. To attach the teeth, I added a bit of water to the back of all of the pieces. To make rosy cheeks, I used a bit of water and a Skittle to create a natural blush. I applied a layer of frosting to make sure that the face would stick securely to the cake. Time for the face transplant. And there. Perfect fit. For the ears, hands, and feet, I just freehand carved the fondant into the shapes. I wanted my Labubu to have pink fur, so I added food coloring to buttercream frosting, and then I added it to this piping gun. I started piping around the face first. And then I just kept piping and piping and piping away. The creamy fur application has been completed. Now time for the hands and feet. And here is the final product. Thanks so much for watching this video. I hope you enjoyed it. Please don't forget to subscribe for more fun ideas. Bye!